Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if your Roblox app game t-shirt is not showing up, here's how you can fix it. For that, make sure t-shirt uploaded has been approved by Roblox. If it's still pending or rejected, it won't show up. So go to roblox.com and then check the status. Also, you want to go ahead and wait for processing. Sometimes it takes a few minutes or even hours for t-shirt to upload in-game. Give it a little time and check back later. So after that, you want to go ahead and simply head back to your home screen, open up your settings application in your mobile device, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, inside here source for Roblox and then tap onto it. Inside here, tap on upload app and then tap on upload app again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the storage used by the app and will also help you to clear the cache. Once you have done that, go ahead and reinstall the application in your mobile device. So after it is done, head back to your home screen and make sure your Roblox application is updated. Open up your app store inside here, search for Roblox, and if you see update instead of open, go ahead and simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Also after that, you want to head back to your home screen and then if you're having issues on your mobile device, try switching to Roblox website in a browser. Go ahead and open a browser and then search for roblox.com. And just like that, you want to visit their official website and see if it fixes your problem. Also, if it don't, you want to go ahead and simply log out of your Roblox account and then log back in again. Sometimes a simple log out and log in can refresh your avatar and display changes instantly. And that's it guys, your custom t-shirt should now be visible in the Roblox app and in-game. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.